Hi friends, do you like wearing tie-dye clothes? I do, and because it's the 4th of July, I made a red, white, and blue tie-dye shirt using the Swirl&style Tie-Dye Studio. It was gifted to me by Yulu. Inside this box, there is a Design Studio mixing ball with handle, 6 dye bottles, 12 dye powders, technique booklet, 10 elastic bands, clear gloves, bottle stickers, and instructions. Colorful creations made easy. It was easy to make my shirt. And you can create over 30 color combinations. That's a lot. Design 12 tie-dye fashions. Nice. Here's how it works. Twist it. Pick a pattern from the technique booklet, then insert the dyes into the easy-to-use, mess-free orb. Swirl it. Safely spin your colorful masterpiece in the completely sealed orb. And wash it. Easily wash out excess dye while still in the orb. Great results every time. Now I'm going to show you how I made my shirt. The Swirl&style Tie-Dye Studio comes with some ideas for how to make your tie-dye shirt. Here's what I'm going to do. First, I'll take a rubber band and put it on the shirt. Repeat. Almost got it. There. One more band. Now, I can roll up my shirt super tight, like this. And then one more band, actually, to make sure it doesn't unravel. Time to assemble the orb. First, I'll take one half of the orb, put the shirt in, and place the other half of the orb on top. And to make sure these two halves of the orb don't fall off, I'm going to use these yellow pieces to hold them together. I'll just screw them on. Try the other way. There. Time to put the handle on. And when I put these pink pieces on, I like to use this crank to screw them on. Perfect. I have two colors, red and blue. I'll start with red. I'll take this cap off. Then I will start squirting right here. Beautiful colors. Some red right here. There. Now we'll use some blue. I love tie-dye. This is so fun. Now before I add more colors, I'm going to mix it around like that. We could use a little bit more red. It's looking great. Some more blue. So colorful. This is gonna look great when it's done. That ought to do it. I love how my shirt came out. It's perfect for the 4th of July. And I just want to thank Yulu for sending me the Swirl & Style Tie-Dye Studio. Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a happy 4th of July.